Hi, I'm Ruffin, and today I'd like to give some pro tips on using ROS with Docker in 2020. For those out of the loop on Linux containers, I'll shamelessly plug my first ROSCon talk, but suffice it to say, using tools such as Docker with ROS can bolster repeatability and reproducibility of your development, help onboard contributors, self-document build procedures, and accelerate continuous integration pipelines. Let's cover the latter in particular by demonstrating tricks to manage deep stacks of dependencies. In addition to the official library images for all combinations of distros, architectures, and meta packages, newer development tags also provide interchangeable images for building ROS2 packages from source or from pre-installed nightly builds, batteries included. From these images, we can use multi-stage builds to exploit the directed acyclic graph of Culkin workspaces, minimizing build times by maximizing layer caching. For example, preventing recompilation of an underlay workspace from invalidating the installation of overlay dependencies or vice versa. Furthermore, using newer backends such as BuildKit, we can cache artifacts across consecutive Docker builds, as well as exploit the inherent concurrency of the aforementioned DAG to parallelize stage builds wherever possible. Given the current events of 2020, such ergonomics are particularly helpful when working from home with limited bandwidth or CPU access. As a case study, CI for Navigation 2 was refactored using containers, unifying the CI and developer environments, federating CI hosting for user forks, and enabling newer contributors to reproduce test failures locally, all while extending test coverage, expediting PR feedback, and enabling deterministic caching across CI runs. The results shown depict the scalability improvements in build and test time using the approaches presented. Shout out to all the other Docker image maintainers, librarians, Nav2 team members, and Rocker developers. Thanks for collaborating on the infrastructure that makes all this possible. For more info and examples, check out the CI documentation included in the Nav2 repo, or visit the referenced hyperlinks throughout the PDF slides. Thanks for listening.